There are four main types of valve actuators. These are mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, and hydraulic. Mechanical actuation would include just a simple hand lever or a gear wheel. The example we're seeing now is a gear wheel mounted through a gearbox, and this is to rotate a plug valve. This example is an electrical actuated plug valve, and if we zoom in we can actually see the cable connection, and that is this area here, and the electrical cable would connect and we could change then the plug valve position from open to close, and we can see we've got indication on the top of the actuator itself. And now we've got a pneumatic actuator. The pneumatic actuator is a lot larger because the pressure used is quite low, typically between 6 to 8 bar, 8 being quite high. And that again is used to actuate our plug valve. The only other type remaining is the hydraulically actuated type. Hydraulics use a much higher pressure, and because they use a much higher pressure, they require less space to install than a pneumatically actuated valve. But hydraulically actuated valves do have some downsides, such as the fact that you need to have hydraulic piping associated with the valves running all over the plant. You'll also need associated pumps, and there's a risk of contamination, which is far less than if you were using pneumatic valves, and an associated compressed air system. So those are the four main actuator types: mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, and hydraulic.